Hello guys, now welcome back once again. Now today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on Chost Panel. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's continue. So I'll come back here, and over here I can just go down here, and as I said, we have let me go down here. We have scripts. So over here you can install WordPress, any other software that you want to install, WordPress for instance. But I don't like using this one. Okay, so let me click on that, and over here, if the black interface is not helping, you can just go back and change it to white, and you're good to go. So you can just select your domain that you want to install WordPress on. Make sure you delete this, but I don't like using this one, the default one. I would rather go with this one. So let's go back to the front end, and after that, let's go down here. Here I can just go down here and you see software clause. Click on that. Okay, so I am inside software clause right now, so I can just go here, install WordPress, and over here I can just select the domain that I want to install WordPress on. The main one is okay, so I can just go down here, enter my username. I can just enter a redirect here, and let's say password. I can generate one here. Okay, I don't have to, let me hide it and regenerate. I don't have to copy that. And then if you want to, if maybe later you create a domain for this, you can just leave it. Okay, and this is not the main, because okay, so let me put a website on this one, so that this is the domain, and this all these are pro plugins. Later I will show you how to use this plugin. But for now, I will deactivate all of them from here. Okay, good. And I'm done. I've added my username and password, and that's all. Can go down here and click install, and let's go up. Within a twinkle of an eye, it's done. So I can just click here to log into cPanel or WordPress dashboard. Yeah. Okay. And the moment you click on that, you see this is an AI tools. Okay, if you don't know your way around, this can help you select business type from here, site title, and for now, let's click here to close that. We just want to go access the dashboard, and this is our WordPress dashboard. So we can just disable this AI tool. So I can just come back here and click deactivate. It's a software clause blue plugin. Okay, so I can come here, click delete and delete all. Good, and now I can go back to my dashboard, and here we are. So we have successfully installed WordPress. I can go to the front end. Yes, I have to refresh the page and now we are here. Okay, good. So we have successfully installed WordPress. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.